What might a fish know about water? It spends its life underwater, and the water's all around it. Hey fish, does water weigh anything? What might the fish say? Water? Wait, what? Likewise, you know we live our lives at the bottom of an ocean of air. So let me ask you, does air weigh anything? It turns out it does. The air has a weight of about 14.7 pounds for every square inch. If you have a column of air with all those air molecules above that square inch, the weight of all those air molecules is about 14.7 pounds. Air has weight. Why? Because of Earth's gravity. Earth's gravity is pulling down on that air. If it weren't for the gravity, the air would just float off into outer space. We wouldn't have an atmosphere. Air has weight, thank goodness. That's what holds it down to the surface of the Earth. And we can breathe it. And the weight of that air is about 14.7 pounds for every square inch. Hey, hey, hey. You come to videos like this for information, I just gave you some. Great. But we live our lives surrounded by this material we call air. And we can become oblivious to it, except when we're galloping on a horse and we can feel the wind. You get the sense that you're plowing through something, don't you? Like a fish might get the sense they're plowing through the water, which is why they become hydrodynamic. Eh? You go faster on the horse, you're going to feel the wind coming at you faster. So there are definitely things we can do to notice that air is around us and has weight. I like this one. Take a piece of paper, and I'm going to make this piece of paper stick to my hand, but with no glue. It's just a piece of paper and my hand. Watch. Oh. Try doing that without air. Yeah, you get the sense that you're plowing through this material, and we call it the air. And when it's coming at us, we call it wind. Oh, this down here? This is just a rubber sheet. It has a hook through it. And take this rubber sheet, put it on the stool. And the stool weighs about 5 pounds. Which is greater, 14.7 or 5? Yeah. And to be clear here, we're talking about pressure. It's 14.7 pounds over every square inch of this sheet. You ready? Yeah. That makes sense, doesn't it? There's no glue. It's just a rubber sheet. And the rubber prevents air from seeping in from behind, because if the air seeped in from behind, this wouldn't work. If we were on the moon where there's no atmosphere, this demo would not work. Oh, you want to make the stool heavier? Sure, we can do that. I have some weights. This is a 5-pound weight. 5 plus 5. Oh, that's 10. What's greater, 14.7 or 10? And to be clear here, we're talking about pressure, which is a force distributed over a surface area. Ready? Oh, and look at this bulging here. It's definitely feeling the extra weight. Ha ha ha. More? Oh, okay. Let's see if we can add another 5 pounds. What's going to happen now? Huh. Let's do a little good measure. Remember, to be clear, we're talking about pressure, which is force over area. That is good physics to you.